Hey, Sean's Music Garage here again. This time, under the dash. I removed my manual brake pedal assembly, and I'm going to be putting in an automatic brake pedal assembly, but one of the things you got to look after is the clutch bypass. So what I did was just unplug the connector, and then I just took a one of those mini 10 amp fuses like that's in your fuse panel, and just stuck that in the connection. So it works. When I hit the key, car cranks over. So you know, if you're at a junkyard and you're looking for this for a Mustang, there's actually a connector that the manufacturer had put in automatic cars. So if you can get one of those, great. If you can't, just get a fuse, stick it in line, or stick it in the connector like this, and away you go. Okay, just another little quick tip for you.